to Robert Valley Business Building at UT Austin. It's a brand new addition to the UT Business School. We have some
Look at this.
scenic
Fan just came on.
Yeah, we don't know its traction.
Let's go to 5. Oh, watch out for the alarm button.
Yeah, that alarm button is horrible. Here we go.
Watch out the window. It's also very quiet.
Such a smooth elevator.
Watch out for the trap.
I like this view. This is nice. We're gonna ride the other car.
It's Andrew and Jason. It's a very nice elevator, even though it's EMR.
It's a very nice building.
Yes. Loser.
Send this one up to 5 and we'll ride the other one. This is epic. This building is just neat.
This one's already here. Conveniently.
This is, you said EMR elevator did this job. Well, they did a good job.
We actually did.
Look at the elevator. Let's see here.
This one doesn't look
Go up to 5. Oh,
Oh,
that's a bad place for the emergency button.
it is.
Let's look out the window.
I bet a lot of people have run it accidentally.
I like the way you go up and almost out of the building. It's really neat. Look at those chairs out there.
Wow, look how high up we are.
I want to end up on the 5th floor when we come back up. I want to see something up here.
Don't fall for the trap.
No, don't. Watch out for the alarm.
It's a trap.
These are such nice elevators. Here's Jason and Nick over there.
And Andrew.
Look at that. This is really nice. I like the frosted glass on the bottom.
Right?
Here we come back down to the lobby and I want to end up on 5. This is such a neat elevator. Levels almost instantly. Now let's make sure we press the close, not the emergency, and the door close does not work.
Here we go.
So we're gonna watch the numbers now. Hop off here and see if we can see it go down. Looks like they got the better view. A huge thank you to all of my patrons for your support of elevaTOURS.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more.
And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.